to remove page break in Microsoft Word. It's quite easy and simple to remove page break in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Word document. Then go to the Find and Replace tab. For that, the shortcut is Ctrl H. You simply need to press Ctrl H on your keyboard. Then Find and Replace tab appears. The other way to find out this kind of Find and Replace tab is simply you can open the Replace dialog box. For that, go to the Home menu at the top left corner of the screen. And then you need to simply click on the Replace icon at the top right corner of the screen, and the same Find and Replace tab appears on the menu. After that, on the Replace tab of Find What, you need to simply click on it and type in "M", or you can click on the More tab at the bottom left corner of the screen, click on Special and then select Manual Page Break. After you have selected, the same characters that is "M" appears on Find What section. Now on this Replace with button, you can click on it and leave it as it is blank, and after that click on the Replace button. After you click on the Replace button, your page break in Microsoft Word will be removed. So that's how we easily remove page break in Microsoft Word. I hope this video worked. If this worked, then hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.